Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. Today we are going to be curling this hair. I previously uploaded the install as well as the tutorial on this hair. So today we're just going to be curling it, but I wanted to show you this jewelry piece that I have been rocking lately. They are sponsoring this video, so shout out to SilviaX Jewelry for sponsoring this video. Now let's get into this piece, or these pieces. So the first piece that I'm going to show you, I have been wearing in all of my videos, and it is this letter necklace here. This is actually called their personalized baguette name necklace, and you can get this in up to 6 letters. I have mine in 5 letters, of course, and I got styles. You can get this customized to whatever name you want, but it's between 2 to 6 letters. So this is copper, but it is gold plated, and you can also get the chain in different lengths. You can get it from 16 to 20 inches long, so depending on where you want your necklace to fall on you. So yes, this is the custom name necklace that I've been wearing, and this is in the style of the personalized baguette name necklace. So the next piece that I got from them that I want to share with you guys are these earrings. So they look like this. It has a pushback closure, so I thought these were really cute. It definitely gives like a old school, like a 90s vibe, like, you know, when personalized jewelry was like the thing. Yeah, that's what it gives. So definitely check out SilviaX Jewelry if you are interested. Check the links down in the description box, and let's get into this tutorial.
Come on, DJ, put the record on the replay. Don't you see how them bitches move their booty? Every time you play this record, smell like ash. Follow them, screaming like a groupie. Misdemeanor on my knee, feel like a hoochie. For them haters, fuck whatever you say, because you know I'm too cool for you anyway. I'm just a bad bitch, M.I.S. miss. I'ma keep talking this shit till you get this. I'ma bust up in the club with no guest list. Them other artists, I keep them all restless. I don't French kiss unless it's 50 Cent. Vivica, we can share them like the president. Tabloids, I don't care, it's irrelevant. I'm heaven sent, now watch how I do this shit. Oh,
I'm really, really hot. Every time my records drop, radio says I won't stop, cause I'm killing them.
I'm really, really hot. Every time my records drop, radio says I won't stop, cause I'm killing them. You don't know what you're talking about. You would think I was sure when I come out. My album hit hard when I roll out. Y'all records make them stay, wanna throw them out, and that's no doubt. See, I rock bells, fly as hell and cool as different tales. Baby, can't you tell? I lick my lips like a male L. And I'm doing it and doing it and doing it well. Straight to the hotel. I'm celibate, so boy, you gets no tell. Kiss, kiss, and still you gets nowhere. Just 2 blue throws under your underwear. I play unfair. I'm a hot gal. Hot cars and stars and strip bars. It ain't hot if I'm not there. I'm a true player. You can find me up in any record store. Hurry up and get chill.
I'm really, really hot. Every time my records drop, radio says I won't stop, cause I'm killing them.
I'm really, really hot. Every time my records drop, radio says I won't stop, cause I'm killing them. Look, let me move to the left. Go ahead, let me feel myself. Touch my chest, my sweat. Show the DJs how I shake my breasts. Jiggle, jiggle, jangle. Watch how my gluteus dangle. I do a 1-2 step. Stop! No, I ain't done yet. Everybody in the club go to work. Tight jeans, crop shirt, short skirts. I'ma rock to the beat till it hurt. I'ma drop it on the street, yeah, you heard. Haters, I flip the bird. Got guns, so what? I ain't scared. I came to boogie and swerve. Hangline folk, that's my word.
I'm really, really hot. Every time my records drop, radio says I won't stop, cause I'm killing them.
I'm really, really hot. Every time my records drop, radio says I won't stop, cause I'm killing them.
Break my lease so I can move, cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call block. Have a on bell, make my email stop, cause you a bugaboo. You bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me, and don't you see it ain't cool. It's not hot that you be calling me, stressing me, paging my beat, but you just non-stop. And it's not hot that you be leaving me messages every 10 minutes and then you stop by. When I first met you, you were cool, but it was game, you had me fooled. Cause 20 minutes after I gave you my number, you already had my milk box full. So what? You bought a pair of shoes. What now? I guess you think I owe you. Oh, you have to call as much as you do. I give them back to be through with you. And so what? My mama likes you. Now I guess you think I will do. Even if the folks say they like you do. I don't really care, cause
Yeah, them girls on